My name is Ganta Krishna Kalyan, lectured in botany in M1JS on RVR Arts and Science College, Malkipuram. Today our lecture Structure of DNA. Introduction. A native DNA molecule is double-stranded. DNA is made up of nucleosides and nucleotides. Nucleic acids are complex informational macromolecules. They are found in all living cells and living viruses. The most common nucleic acids are deoxyribonucleic acid DNA and ribonucleic acids RNA. Nucleic acids were first isolated in 1868 by the Swiss scientist Joseph Friedrich Mischer from the nuclei of the vessel on the hospital bandages. Both DNA and RNA are large molecules and may occur either single stranded or double stranded state. Consist of DNA consist of nucleic acids. Chemical analysis have shown that nucleic acids are composed of the following three types molecules: phosphoric acids, pentose sugars, and organic bases. These three components are nitrogen oh, made up of a DNA. Phosphoric acids. Phosphoric acids has three reactive hydroxyl group of which two are involved in forming the sugar phosphate backbone of DNA. Phosphate motif binds to the fifth carbon of pentose sugar and third carbon of the other neighboring pentose molecule of DNA. Produces the phosphodiester linkages. Pentose sugars. The pentose present in RNA is called D-ribose, from which this nucleic uh, acid gets its name. But DNA contains deoxyribose, simply deoxyribose, which is the reason for the name deoxyribonucleic acids. The oxygen atoms present at the second carbon of ribose is missing in deoxyribose, giving it name to deoxyribose. The position of carbon atoms of the two pentose sugars are donated 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th in order to differentiate them from the corresponding positions in nitrogen bases. Organic bases mean and are nitrogen bases. The organic bases present in nucleic acids and heterocyclic compounds contain a nitrogen in their rings, hence they are also called nitrogen base. Nitrogenous bases are two types: pyrimidines and purines. These are nitrogen bases. Purines. These are derived from their purines, which contain a 6-membrane pyrimidine ring. Pyrimidine ring is similar to the benzene ring, and the 5-membered imidazole ring. Pyrimidine ring and at pyrimidine ring ki imidazole ring అనేది అటాచ్ అయ్యి ఉంటుంది. The pyrimidine ring contains a nitrogen in the space of carbon at position first and third. ఈ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ పొజిషన్లో కార్బన్ ప్లేస్లో నైట్రోజన్ అనేది ప్రజెంట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ది ఇమిడిజోల్ కంటైన్స్ ఏ నైట్రోజన్ ఇన్ ది 7th and 9th పొజిషన్. ఇమిడిజోల్ రింగ్లో 9th and 7th పొజిషన్లో నైట్రోజన్ అనేది ప్రజెంట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. The nitrogen present at the Ninth position of purine participate in a covalent linkages with the first carbon of the pentoses. If purines are linked with the pentose sugars of first carbon of the first pentose sugar. Adenine and guanines are purines. They are normally found in the both RNA and DNA. Adenine, an amino group is present at the sixth position, but guanine keto group is found in the sixth position. Additionally, amino group attached to the second position in guanine. Pyrimidines. Pyrimidine bases contain of a six-membrane pyrimidine ring with nitrogen atoms in the place of carbon at position first and third. 3 pyrimidine bases contain a keto oxygen at second position. In cytosine, an amino group is also present at fourth position. In the case of uracil, a keto group is present at the fourth carbon, while thymine is essentially 5-methyl uracil, that is keto oxygen at position fourth, and a methyl group at carbon of fifth position. All the pyrimidines therefore contain a hydrogen atoms at position third, which is involved in their linkages with the first carbon of the pentose sugars. All nitrogen bases are mm, all nitrogen bases and all nitrogen bases are attached to the pentose sugars, first carbon of the pentose sugars. Nucleosides. In nucleic acids, organic bases are linked with the pentose sugars. Nucleic acids. In nucleic acids, organic bases or nitrogen bases are linked with the phosphate sugars molecules by the beta glycosidic bonds to form a nucleosides. The glycosidic linkages involve the first carbon of sugar and nitrogen atoms of the ninth position of the nitrogen atoms. In case urines or pyrimidines, first position of the nitrogen atoms attached to the first carbon of the pentose sugars with glycosidic linkages. In pyrimidines, eliminating a molecules of water. Therefore, the purines nucleosides are ninth position of nitrogen atom glycosides, and pyrimidines nucleosides are first position of the nitrogen atoms and glycosides. Nucleosides containing the ribose sugars are called ribonucleosides, while those possessing deoxyribose sugars as deoxyribonucleosides. The four common ribosides are called adenosine, guanosine, and uridine and cytidine. Similarly, the four common deoxyribosides are deoxyadenosine, deoxyriboguanosine, deoxycytidine, and thymidine. Nucleotides. A nucleotide is formed when a phosphate group is attached to the fifth carbon of the pentose sugar of a nucleoside. The nucleosides produced by the different ribosides are adenylate acids, guanylic acids, cytidilic acid, and uridylic acid. These are simply known as ribonucleotides or ribotides. Similarly, the nucleotides formed by the four deoxyribosides are deoxyadenilic acid, deoxyguanilic acid, and deoxycytidilic acid, and thymidilic acid. The deoxyribonucleotides are covalently linked to one and another to form a linear polymer strand. The backbone is composed of alternating sugars and phosphate group is joined by the 3 to 5 phosphodiester bonds. Nucleotides is made up of pentose sugars, nitrogen bases, and phosphate group. The three components are nucleotides. Generally, pentose sugars, pentose sugars and phosphate groups are attached to the phosphodiester bonds, linked to phosphodiester bonds. Structure of DNA. A native DNA A native DNA molecules is double-stranded. Each of the two strands of DNA molecules is a polymer or deoxyribonucleotides and known as polynucleotide. Each of DNA each of the two strands of DNA molecules is polymer of DNA nucleotides and is known as polynucleotides. Poly means many nucleotide chain, polynucleotide chain, and polynucleotides in the present in the polynucleotides. Many nucleotides are present in the polynucleotide chain, form a polynucleotide chains. The sugar moieties of two adjacent nucleotides are joined together by a bonds mediated by the phosphate group. This is known as phosphodiester bonds. The DNA double helix, Watson and Crick model. The, the deoxyribonucleotides and their ability to form a nucleotides chains were given in 1931. He postulated that four nucleotides occur in the regularly repeated tetranucleotides tetranucleotide sequence AT, AGCT, 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 etc. The Chargaff rules, chemical analysis of DNA by Ivan Chargaff and others during the 1940s revealed of the following facts. As a rule, the number of pyrimidine bases, cytosine and thymines is equal to the number of purine bases, adenine and guanine. There is a equivalence between the bases carrying the amino group at the 6th or 4th position and those carrying the keto group at this position of thymine and guanine. The main features of Watson-Crick model of DNA are summarized below. A DNA molecule is made up of a polynucleotide strand or chain. Each polynucleotide chain or strand is composed of many nucleotides. Poly means many nucleotides joined by the phosphodiester linkages between their sugar and phosphate residues. Between their phosphate and residues and phosphodiester linkages in the two strands of DNA molecules are oriented anti-parallel to each other. That is, one strand 5 to 3 direction and will other strand runs 3 to 5 direction. The anti-parallel orientation of the two strands is essential for the formation of hydrogen bonds between the pairs of DNA bases. The adenine present in the one strand and one strand of the DNA molecule is linked by the hydrogen bond with the thymine located in another opposite strand, other strand. AT and GC between adenine and guanine. One strand of the adenine and another strand of the thymine between the two hydrogen bonds formed by the two hydrogen bonds linked to the two strands by the hydrogen bondings. Similarly, G located one strand for the three hydrogen bonds with the with the cytosine are present opposite to it in the strand. The hydrogen bonds is a relatively weak bond, but since a DNA molecule has a several hydrogen bonds, they are effectively keep the two strands of the DNA molecules together. These bonds can be readily disrupted when the DNA is either heated or treated with alkyl. These, these bonds can be readily disrupted. These bonds, which bonds? Hydrogen bondings are readily disrupted when a DNA, either heated or treated with alkyl is produced a single-stranded DNA, and this process called DNA denaturation. The two strands of DNA molecules are coiled together in a right-hand helix, forming the DNA double helix. These two strands of DNA is molecules are coiled by the together in a right-handed helix, forming the DNA double helix. Each strand contains a equal spaced base pairs. Every each strand contains a 10 equivalent spaced base pairs. Each strand of DNA molecules include one major groove and one minor groove. Each strand of DNA molecules contain one major groove and one minor groove along the phosphodiester backbones. Proteins interact with the DNA at this groove or site. The genetic information resides on one of the two strands, which is called template strand. During the replication, two strands of DNA molecules in the uncoiled. Two strands of DNA molecules are coiled together right hand helix from the DNA double helix. But DNA replication during the replication, the two strands of DNA molecules uncoiled in the each strand produced by the daughter complement strand. Parental strands, each parental strand produced by the new daughter DNA strand, DNA molecules, DNA single DNA strand. During the replication, the two strands of DNA molecules uncoiled and each strand produced by a daughter complementary strands. It results in the formation of two daughter DNA molecules. Then the result of forming a new daughter DNA molecules are produced by the during the replication. This provides for an almost error-free and highly fidelity replication of genetic material. This provides for an almost error-free and highly fidelity replication of genetic material. Basically, DNA and RNA is contain a genetic material, genetic material, genetic matter, gene material, జన్యు పదార్థాన్ని genetic information కలిగి ఉంటాయి. ఓకే.